I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis 4 years ago. Basically it affected my sort of working life because the illness affected my hands mainly. The story began, and then within 2 years I started on the biosimilar, and that has really changed me for the good again, back to the way I was before.
Biosimilars are a copy of originator products that have been in the market for many, many years. They are made in living cells, like the originators, at a very high quality to assure that these biosimilars show similar efficacy and similar safety in our patients.
Once it sort of got established into my system, I found that it never sort of felt it running out. More or less straight away I felt an awful lot better, and to this day I'm fine.
High-quality, affordable medicines are needed everywhere in the world. With an aging demographic and high government debt levels throughout the world, there has never been a bigger focus on the cost of healthcare than right now.
Fresenius Kabi has a long heritage in order to supply affordable and highest quality medicines around the globe, and we are doing this with a big conviction about our own destiny and in order to care about our patients in life-saving medicines for critically ill and chronically ill patients.
Our people are passionate and committed to our mission. They always put quality and the customer first. We love to say that we work shoulder to shoulder with our healthcare partners, and we conduct our business with the highest ethical standards.
At Fresenius Kabi, we believe in caring for life, so patience is at the heart of everything that we do. With biosimilars, we are making sure that we're developing products that are addressing the need of patients and the healthcare professionals that help them.
We are trying to develop new formulations that allow patients to travel with these medicines for days at room temperature.
Biosimilars have made a lot of difference already since its introduction more than 10 years ago, and is continuing to make a difference for people with debilitating conditions such as cancer and autoimmune diseases.
Ulcerative colitis is a disease which is characterized by long periods of intermission and random flares. Symptoms pretty unpleasant, diarrhea, lots of bleeding. Some people get aches as well, some people get nausea. I started on biosimilars in 2019. I had my first infusion of a biosimilar in hospital, and I've been in endoscopic remission ever since. So no longer using steroids. I've now got my body mass index back in the healthy range, and I'm probably an easier person to live with as a result.
So here we have made a lot of investment to have very state-of-the-art latest machines which are high throughput and allows us to develop our process very quickly with a high quality. We will achieve the best quality for the patients with a low cost of production for the molecule to make it as accessible as possible for the patients.
Biosimilars go through the same rigor of development and manufacturing that is vetted with health authorities such as FDA and EMA to make sure that these drugs are safe and effective and at the same time affordable.
Now we must realize the savings potential of biosimilars, which will be tens of billions of dollars over the next decade, by removing some of the barriers to market access. This isn't just important for biosimilar companies like Fresenius Kabi, it's important for society.
The other program that we are very proud about is what we call Kabi Care. Kabi Care is a patient support program to deal with that disease. In Kabi Care, we provide information about the diseases and about the products, so we go out of our way to make sure that patients are comfortable with our products.
I had someone come round to show me how to give the injection. It's very easy. It's just a small injection. It comes prepared. If anything, that is better because I can plan my life around that.
We are proud at Fresenius Kabi to provide medicines around the world to make sure that our patients have continuous supply of life-saving medicines.
We have a very strong commitment into biosimilars, and we have invested in a brand new facility for R&D purposes in Switzerland. We have hired more than 100 people around the globe going into regulatory affairs, into medical, into R&D, in order to really be on the front end of the development.
Well, Fresenius Kabi is very well set for success in biosimilars in the US. We're already one of the largest suppliers of sterile injectable drugs and have contributed significantly to making medicines more affordable for the US healthcare system. All of these things will help us be successful in the emerging biosimilars market.
Since I started biosimilars, I've been vastly healthier, in a much better place, and give it a go. There are quite a number of biosimilars. There's a good chance that one will work for you.